In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Payoneer two-step verification from SMS to Google Authenticator. This adds extra security and makes logging in faster. First, open your browser and go to the Payoneer website. Log into your account, and once you're in, click your profile icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then go to Security Settings. Scroll down to the two-step verification section and click Edit. Here, you'll see an option to switch from SMS to an authenticator app. Select Use Mobile App or Authentication App. Payoneer will then display a QR code on your screen. Next, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Play Store. In the app, tap the plus sign to add a new account and scan the QR code shown on Payoneer. Google Authenticator will now generate a 6-digit code for your account. Take that code and enter it back on the Payoneer website to complete the setup. This links your account to Google Authenticator, adding a stronger layer of security. Finally, make sure to save any recovery codes Payoneer provides. These are important in case you lose access to the app. And that's it. Your Payoneer account is now secured with Google Authenticator. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.